So cooking is the process, and when cooking. So cooking, these enzymes are nothing but proteins. So when you start cooking them, they coagulate, they denature. So they kind of lose their efficiency and efficacy. So that's what cooking does to these enzymes. It kind of kills them. Enzymes are very heat sensitive. So when you eat raw, the enzymes are preserved. When you cook them, the enzymes are gone. So, but the thing is, unfortunately, there are times we can't avoid cooking. I mean, we are so used to eating cooked food. So how do we conserve some of those enzymes is by eating cooked food that's on a low flame. Cook it very quickly, just make sure there is crunch is there, but don't overcook them. Use a steamer. Using a steamer is the best thing we can do. I have some recipes that we're going to be sharing later on, but steamer will preserve the enzymes much more better than a cooked deep fried food. So don't heat and reheat the same food again and again, because the enzymes are totally destroyed. So cook it fresh, eat it then and there itself. Never try to refrigerate the food. Never use a microwave, never reheat your food. So planning is all extremely important. Cook smaller portions, just eat them right away. And then if needed, cook again, but don't do the process again and reheating and everything. Some people just cook over the weekend. They put everything in the refrigerator, or when the guests come, they cook before they come so that they think they were going to be spending more time with them. They put everything in the refrigerator. They take out small portions, put them in the microwave, reheat them, eat them whole weekdays. I don't know, I know a lot of people who do that. That's a wrong way. Cook fresh, eat them right away, and then again redo if you have to recook again. Smaller portions will take faster to cook, so you don't have to worry about the time. So that's the best way to eat cooked food, not reheating in a microwave. I hope by now people quit using Teflon coated pans, that's the non-stick pans, as well as you quit using microwaves by now. These are the two best things you need to do right now if you haven't done it. Teflon is very poisonous, it's chemical and it's endocrine disruptor. Do not use non-stick. And microwave too, nobody knows how it works. It changes the character of the molecule of the water. That's how it reheats everything. It's when the molecule itself is changed, the body doesn't recognize it anymore. You think it's food, but the body doesn't recognize it. It's gone. So and the toxins build up. So do not microwave, do not use Teflon.